What is the first entry? Bank account data to share application account. What is the second entry? In the final call, both have been paid because he could not pay the first call, means no chance in the final call also. The excess money will be credited to capital's account. If there is any shortage of funds come, this money will be utilized as a capital. So they ask only the entry, not for the balance sheet. So we will go with one by one how the entry will be passed. Hello everybody, I am Dr. B.S. Subramaniam, called by name BSS, Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Year College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to hand Corporate Accounting 1 of 3rd semester BCom. The subject goes to issue of shares of a joint stock company. In the previous session, I already told share can be issued in 3 ways: share at a par, share at a premium, share at a discount. And also I told the 8 entries are, what is the common entry first? No, bank account data to share application account data to share capital account. If there is excess money, excess application, oversubscription is come, what is the first entry? Bank account data to share application account data to share capital account, to bank account, to share allotment account. I will repeat. What is the first entry? Bank account data to share application account. What is the second entry? Share application account data to share capital account, to bank account, to share allotment. That means the excess money adjusted to allot. All the problem will be asked only on the oversubscription. Means what do you mean by oversubscription? Receiving more application than required share. There is another word called undersubscription. What do you mean by undersubscription? Receiving less application than required share. If you have got a 10,000 share, if you receive 12,000 application, it is called oversubscription. For 10,000 share, if you receive only 8,000 share, it is called undersubscription. So all the problem will go the oversubscription. Now we will move on to the problem now. Nestle Company Limited issue a prospectus inviting application for 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of rupees 2 per share payable on application rupees 3, on allotment rupees 5, which includes the premium of 2, means 3 is the real money, 2 is the premium. 3 plus 2, 5. On the first call rupees 2, on second and final call rupees 2. So that means here we have application 3 plus 5, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 2, 12. Totally we have got 12. 2 rupees is the premium. The company received 1,30,000 application. Actually, how many application required? 1 lakh application. How many application received? 1,30,000 application received. And allotment was made on pro rata basis to the applicant of 1,20,000 only. Here, how many shares are there? 1 lakh shares are there. But we received how many application? 1,30,000. How many application has been accepted? 1,20,000. Another 10,000 application have been rejected and money have been refunded. So for 1 lakh, 1,20,000 is accepted. That is called pro rata allotment. Overpaid on application was employed on account, some due on allotment. Overdue means how much more is there? 20. Whatever the 20 share they have paid, that is adjusted to allotment. Then Mr. Raju, to whom 1,000 shares were allotted, failed to pay the first call money and his shares were forfeited immediately. Then Mr. Ramu, to whom 2,000 shares were allotted, failed to pay the second and final call money. And all the shares are forfeited, were reissued to Mr. Ravi, credited as rupees 9 per share. So they ask only the entry, not for the balance sheet. So we will go with one by one how the entry will be passed. So how many shares are there? 1 lakh shares are there. So we received how much? 1,30,000. We say shares is to application. shares is to application. How many shares are there? 1 lakh. How many application received? 1,30,000 we received. Actually, how many shares are there? 1 lakh. How many application received? 1,30,000. How many application more? 30,000. How much accepted? 1,20,000 means 10,000 application rejected and money refunded. So the balance is 1 lakh shares. Your application is 1,20,000. So 1 lakh share, 1,20,000 application. If you cancel the 0, here 2 5s divided by 2, 2 5s are 2 6 are. So they are in the ratio of 5:6, which is called pro rata adjustment, proportionately accepted. I will repeat. The company is having 1 lakh share. The company received 1,30,000 application, but they accepted 1,20,000 application. That means how many application is rejected? 10,000. That money will be refunded. So for 1 lakh, you are expecting 1,20,000 share. So if you cancel the 0, they are in the ratio of 10:12. Divided by 2, 2 5s are, 2 6 are, they are in the pro rata adjustment, proportionately accepted. Here we mean to say that for every 5 share, company has to get 6 application. If you have got a 7, what they will know? They will reject the 2 application. For 5, they will give the 6 application is there. 1 will be rejected. For 6 application, 5 share will be. So it should be multiple of 5, multiple of 6. 5, 6, 5, 12, 10, 18, 15. Should we go like this? Multiple of 5, multiple of 6. So that is called pro rata adjustment is there. So this is, you must be. So when you receive this 1,30,000 application, it is called oversubscription. Actually, we require how many application? 1 lakh application. But how many application received? 1,30,000. That means we received 30,000 application more. Would have been rejected 30,000. But they rejected only 10,000, accepting how much? 1,20,000 application for how many share? 1 lakh share. So they are in the ratio of 5:6. That is called proportionately accepted. Now, we'll go to our problem. How many shares are there? 1 lakh. How many applications received? 1,30,000. What is the first entry goes? Bank account data to share application account we send. So 1,30,000 into 3 means 3,90,000. We'll move on to the entry now. First entry, bank account data. How many application received? 1,30,000 into 3. First entry, 1,30,000 into 3. It comes to 3,90,000. To share application, 3,90,000. What's the entry now? Bank account data to share application account. We received how much money? 3,90,000. But actually we got how much share? Only 1 lakh. So 1 lakh into 3 means 3 lakh we require. How much more is there? 90. How to do this now? We'll explain. Next, share application account data are 3,90,000. Actually you require 1 lakh into 3. You got that's only a share. So it comes to 3 lakh. So how much you received? 3,90,000. But we want how much money? Only 3 lakh. How much excess is there? 90,000 is there. So you expected how many application? 1,20,000. How many application rejected? 10,000. 2 bank account. This is 10,000 into 3. 30,000 rejected. So how much accepted? 1,20,000. How many application more? 20,000. That money will be adjusted to allotment. So 20,000 into 3, 60,000. See the word? What's the entry? Bank account debtor to share application account 3,90,000. Then share application account debtor 3,90,000. Actually, we require 3 lakh. How much adjusted to allotment account? 60,000. How much rejected? 30,000. Money have been refunded. So you got how much money? 3,60,000. Actually, we require 3,60,000 is adjusted to allotment. Then we move on to next entry. See the board? What's your allotment account? 5, which includes the premium of 2. What's the common entry for allotment? Share allotment account debtor to share capital account. If there is a premium, share allotment account debtor to share capital account to share premium account. So 1 lakh into 5. We'll pass the entry now. Share allotment account debtor 1 lakh into 5 lakh. So 1 lakh into 5 is 5 lakh. To share capital real money 1 lakh into 3 lakh. How much premium? 2 rupees. 1 lakh into 2 lakh. So what's the entry now? Share allotment account debtor 5 lakh, to share capital account 3 lakh, to share premium account 2 lakh. So we require about 5 lakh. The real money is 3 lakh. The premium is 2 lakh. Excess money he has to pay. Then only he can become a shareholder. So we require 5 lakh. If you see the back entry, how much already adjusted to allotment account? 60,000. 60,000 is already created. How much we want to receive? 5 lakh. How much already received? 60,000. What's the balance? 4,40,000 on the bank account. We require 5 lakh. Already credited to your account 60,000. What's the balance? 4,40,000. Receiving to share allotment account 4,40,000. So actually we require how much? 5 lakh. You have got excess application money. We already got excess money for 20,000 share. 20,000 into 3, 60,000 is already received. So we have to receive how much? 5 lakh. How much already received? 60,000. What's the balance to receive? 4,40,000. Entry bank account debtor to share allotment account. Actually, how much money to be received? 5 lakh. How much already received? 60,000 in application. What's the balance now? 4,40,000 we are going to receive. Then we move on to the first call. See that. What's the first call money? 2 rupees. On how many share? 1,000 share. What's the due entry? Share first call account debtor 1 lakh into 2 lakh. To share capital account 2 lakh. If you see the board, here now 10,000 share applied. Raju, to whom 1,000 shares were allotted, failed to pay the first call. He could not pay the first call. Out of 1 lakh share, how many money you could not receive? 10,000 means only we are receiving 90,000 shares money. Actually, you have to receive 1 lakh. How many share money you could not receive? About Mr. Raju holds only 1,000. What's the balance to receive? 99,000 among them. What's the due entry for first call? Share first call account debtor 1 lakh into 3 lakh. To share capital account 3 lakh. Who is not paid? Mr. Raju holds how many share? 1,000. What's the balance? 99,000 into first call. 99,000 into 2. What's the due entry? Share first call account debtor 1 lakh into 2 lakh. 1 lakh into 2 lakh. To share capital account 2 lakh. How many shares money could not receive? 1,000 means 99,000. Bank account debtor 99,000 into to share first call account 99 into 2. We'll pass the entry now. share first call account date are 1 lakh. Number of share. What's the share value? 2 rupees. 2 lakh be required. Share first call account date are 2 lakh. 2 share capital account 2 lakh. Narration. Being first call money due. How much money due? 2 lakh. So the one shareholder who holds how many share? 1000 share could not pay the first call. So bank account out of 1 lakh, how many shares money could not receive? 100 share. How many share money you are going to receive? 99,000. At what rate? At rupees 2. You got 1 lakh. How many shares money you could not receive? About 1,000. So we are receiving how much? 99,000 share money you are going to receive. At what rate? 2 rupees. So it is 1,98,000. To share first call account 1,98,000. What's the due entry? Share first call account date are 2 lakh. To share capital account 2 lakh. To be received. How many shares money you could not receive? 1,000. So out of 1 lakh, 1,000 gone means what's the balance? 99,000 share. At what rate? At rupees 2 each. How much money you are going to receive? 1,98,000. How many shares money you could not receive? On 1,000 share. So we move on to the final call now. Share. What's the due entry? Share final call account data to share capital. We see what's the value of the final call. What's the value of the final call? 2 rupees. What's center? Raju, to whom 1,000 shares were allotted, failed to pay the first call money and his shares were forfeited immediately. That means no chance is given in the final call. He fails, he paid application, he paid allotment account, he fails to pay the first call. No chance is given the final call means you are calling only 99,000 share only. At what rate? 2 rupees. How many shares you have to call? 1 lakh share. How many share we could not call? This 1,000 share we could not call. How many shares money you are going to call? Only 99,000 shares money. Due entry. Due entry. Share final call account date are out of 1 lakh share. 1,000 share money has gone. Balance is 99,000 share you are going to call. At what rate? 2 rupees only. 1,98,000 to be received. To share capital account 1,98,000. I will repeat. How many shares money you could not call? 1,000 share money you could not call. You call only how many share? 99,000 share. Final call money is 2 rupees. How much money to be received? 1,98,000 to be received. This is due entry. Being final call money due. How much money is due for us? 1,98,000. If we see the board, Ramu, to whom 2,000 shares were allotted, fails to pay the second and final call. Whatever you call final call, that is a second and final call. And how many shares money you could not receive? 2,000. How many shares you call for? 99,000. How many shares money you could not receive? 2,000 means how many shares money you are going to receive? 97,000 only. You call how many shares? 99,000. Mr. Ramu hold how many shares? 2,000 share. Could not because he fails to pay. No, only now we are receiving on how many share? 97,000 share. We'll move on to entry. Bank account data out of 99,000. Out of 99,000, 2,000 shares money could not be received. The balance is 97,000. At what rate? At rupees 2. It comes out 0, 0, 0, 2 sevens are 14, 2 sevens are 18, 1, 19. 1,94,000 to share final call account 1,94,000. bank account debt are 1,94,000 to share final call account 1,94,000 we are going to receive. On how many share? 97,000. Now, forfeiture takes place. When a forfeiture takes place, now there are first call and first. So if you go through now, you can understand 200 shares of Ramu, then 1,000 shares of this Raju, then 2,000 shares of Ramu. How many shares were forfeited? 3,000 shares were forfeited. Now, we are going to pass the 3,000 into share. At what rate it was reissued? 9 rupees. We'll pass the entry now. Now, share capital account debt are totally 3,000 into 10, 30,000 to be received. To forfeited share, how much already paid? We say regarding the first man holds how many share? 1,000 share. What he has paid? 2 on application, 3 on allotment. So 1,000 into 5 plus second man holds how much? 2,000 share. He paid application, he paid allotment, he paid the first call. What's the value you have got? See the board. So this is application is 3, allotment leaving the premium 3, first call 2, he could not pay. Total how much already paid? 8 rupees. Forfeited share on how many share? 2,000 into 8, 16,000. 1,000 into 5, 5,000. Actually, we require 30,000. He already paid 5,000. He already paid 16. Application, allotment, first call. Application 2, allotment 3, first call 3. So totally we got final call only 2 rupees only now. He paid on the application and allotment. Total how much you received? 21,000. Then who fails to first call? First man fails to pay 1,000. What's your first call money? See the board. What is the first call money? 2 rupees. Who could not pay the first call? Mr. First man Raju. 2 share first call. 1,000 into 2, 2,000. Regarding the final call, who could not pay? The last man. 2,000. 1,000 into 6, 6,000 he has already paid. He paid how much money? 2,000 into 2, 16,000 he has paid. Totally, we have got 2 share first call, 1,000 into 2, totally. Forfeited share account, how much he already paid? On 1,000 share, he paid application, he paid allotment, 3 rupees on application, 3 rupees on first call. That is 1,000 into 6, 6,000. Regarding the second man, he holds what? 3 on application, 3 on allotment, 2 on first call. On how many share? 2,000 share. Totally he paid 22,000. Then share first call account. Who fails to pay? The first man. 1,000 into 2, 2,000. Regarding the final call is considered. How much he could not pay? So only 3 here now. Here we go with no. So we are going to cancel the share. Why the share has been cancelled now? We require 3,000 into 10, 30,000. It's the first point. 2 forfeited share, how much already paid? Then who fails to pay the first call? Who fails to pay the first call? The first man. See that? What's the value of the first call? We can see that. Here, what's the first call money? 2. Final call money? 2. Okay. So he paid application, he paid allotment, but fails to pay the first call. Fails to pay the first allotment account. Come back. He fails to pay the first call. On how many share? 1,000 into 2, 2,000. Regarding here, he fails to pay the final call. What's your final call money? See that? Here, 3 on application, 3 on allotment account. Here, leave it up. Here, 3 on application, 3 on allotment, including the premium, 2 on first call, 2 on final call. One man holds how many share? 1,000 share, fails to pay the first call. Another man holds how many share? 2,000 share, fails to pay the final call. come back, 32. He fails to pay the first call. Then second man, how much you have got? He fails to pay the final call. Totally how much you have to receive, that we're going to say once again. See that first on application 3, on allotment 3, on first call 2, on final call 2. Now, Mr. Raju holds how many share? 1000 share, fails to pay the first call. How much already paid? 3 plus 3, 6 rupees already paid on 1000 share. That is 6000. Second man holds 2000 share, fails to pay the second and final call, means he paid application 3, allotment 3, first call 2. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8. On how many share? 800 share. It is 1600. Totally 16,000 will be worked out. Totally how much he paid? 22,000. Now who fails? First man. Who fails? First man fails. How much he could not pay? First call of rupees 2. Final call, first call of rupees 2. No chance in the final call. Totally how much you have to receive? Here, how much he has paid? Forfeited 1,000 to 6,000. Just man has been 3 on application, 3 on allotment, 3 on first call. Here now, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8 he has been paid. On how many share? Totally we received 22,000 plus 2, 24,000. The last man, where he has been failed now, totally we have got 1,000 share. Then the final call, both have been failed now. 3,000 into 2, 6,000. He failed in the first call, even final call. He also failed along with he failed in the first call. He failed in the final call. How much now? 6,000. I will repeat. Share capital account data 3,000 into 10, 30,000 money to be received. The first man paid application fee, allotment money, 1,000 into 6, 6,000 is paid. The second man is considered 2,000. He paid application, he paid allotment, he paid first call, 8 rupees he has paid. 16 plus 6, 22,000 he paid. In the first call, he is only failed. Who is first man has been paid? Only in the final call, 1,000 into 2,000. In the final call, both have been paid. First man has also failed, final call also made. So 3,000 to 6,000 is there. So actually we have to receive 30,000. How much you received? 22,000. How much you could not receive? 2,000, 6,000. Being shares were forfeited. Now reissued. How many shares are there? 3,000 shares. Reissued at what rate? We look after. You see that? Reissued at what rate? 9 rupees only. How many shares were issued? All the forfeited shares were reissued at what rate? At rupees 9 only. So 3,000 share reissued at rupees 9. This is 27,000. How much money you could not receive? 1. 3,000 into 1. 3,000. 2. Share capital 30,000. So reissued at what rate? 9 rupees. 27,000. How much money you could not receive? 3,000. How much money you are going to receive? Only 27,000. Last entry. If you see the last entry, for feature, how much you got? 22,000. This is a credit entry. So when you go to the next entry, how much debit is there? 3,000. How much credited? 22,000. How much debited? 9,000. How much the difference is? 22 minus 3 is 19,000. Or we can go here. We received how much money? 27,000. In the previous year, how much you received now? 22. 22 plus 27 is 22 plus 27, 49,000. But how much you require? Only 30,000. How much more is there? 19,000. That will go to capital reserve. So here debit entry is 3,000. Here credit entry is 22,000. 22,000 minus 3,000 is 19,000. Forfeited shares account data 19,000. To capital reserve account 19,000. Being forfeited shares account excess money has been kept in the reserve. That money will be utilized. I will explain once again. See that board once again. Little bit confusion you got. If you want, share is okay. First allotment is okay. First call is okay. Final call. Now regarding the forfeiture. So I will explain solely. The company forfeited how many shares? 3,000 shares. 1,000 the first man pays to pay the first call. In the final call, both have been paid because he could not pay the first call, means no chance in the final call also. You call for 3,000 into 30,000 to pay. So how much already paid? First man, then he paid 3 on application, 3 on allotment, 6 rupees paid 6,000. Second man paid 3 on application, 3 on allotment, 2 on the first, 8 rupees is paid. Total how much he paid? 22,000. Who fails in the first call? First man. 1,000 into 2, 2,000. Who fails in the final call? Both the members have been failed in the final call. 3,000 to 6,000 we could not receive. How much money you have received? 22,000 we have received. It has been reissued at rupees 927,000. How much you could not receive? This is a debit entry. Debit entry. How much credit entry is there? 22,000. How much debit entry? 19,000. How much excess is there? 9,000. That will go to capital reserve. What's the entry? Forfeited shares account data to capital reserve account. The excess money will be credited to capital reserve account. If there is any shortage of funds come, this money will be utilized as a capital. So we'll move on one by one. From the first entry, we'll move on now. First entry. Bank account data to share application account. How many application received? 1,30,000 into 3, 3,90,000. Actually, we require 3 lakh. How much have been adjusted to allotment? 60,000. How much has been written? That is 1,000. This is 30,000. We are reading. 10,000 has been written. At what rate? Rupees 30,000. How much adjusted allotment account? 60,000. Then what's the due entry? Share allotment account data to share capital account, share premium amount is a due entry. Out of that 5 lakh, how much already received? 60,000. What's the entry now? Bank account data to share allotment account. Go for the first call. Share first call account data 1 lakh into 2 lakh account. To share capital account 2 lakh. Out of 1 lakh, how much money you could not receive? 1,000. How much money you are going to receive? 99,000. 99,000 into 1,98,000 we are going to receive. Now, while making the final call, we are not called for 1,000 share. So 1 lakh into 1,000 is 99 only call for him. 99 into 2, 1,98,000 to be received. Then here, out of 99,000, the last man could not pay 2,000 share, could not pay the final call. Only we are receiving. Shareholder become only 97,000 into 2 is 1,94,000. Then, now all the 3,000 shares were forfeited. So they have to pay 10 rupees, 30,000. The first man, whatever already paid. First man holds how many shares? 1,000 share. He paid application, he paid allotment. 6 rupees he paid, becomes 6,000. Second man holds 2,000 shares. He paid application, he paid allotment, he paid the pal. How much he paid? 8 rupees, 16,000. 16 plus 6, 22,000 they paid. First man pays to pay the first call. In the final call, both have been paid 3,000 to 6,000. It has been reissued. Reissued at what rate? At 9. At a loss of rupees 3,000. 3,000 into 9, 27,000. Forfeited share account data 3,000. Already credited to forfeited share 22,000. How much you could not receive? 3,000. What's the balance? 19,000. That will go to capital reserve. So that will be kept in the capital reserve. If there is any shortage of fund, this money will be utilized as a capital. So capital reserve will be kept aside. So careful. So all the problem will be worked out only on the oversubscription. Only on oversubscription it is going to be worked out. Here also you got 1 lakh share. How much you received? 1,20,000. Out of 1,30,000 application has been received. But how much is rejected? 10,000. How many application accepted? 1,20,000. There is a pro rata. So you must be careful. All will be go with the pro rata. What is pro rata adjustment? No, proportionately accepted. For 1 lakh share, we are accepting 1,20,000 application. It is called pro rata adjustment. You must be very careful about the forfeiture. who failed. Here, first man failed only first call, but he could not come to final call. So we are passing the entry. He failed in the first call, no chance in the final call. That's why we say 3,000 share. So entry share capital account data to perpetuity shares account to arrears account. Reissue entry bank account data perpetuity share account data to share capital account. The last entry perpetuity share account data to capital reserve account. So we had gone through slowly. If you still have got in the next class, we'll discuss one more problem. Till then, goodbye. See you in the next session.